Alright, hello, welcome to a new video. We're going to do this problem called Palindrome 125 with easy problem LeetCode. So let's get into it. So, a phrase is a palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters, and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backwards. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string s, wait, what are alphanumeric characters? Oh, okay, never mind. So given a string s, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. Okay. So let's go into the beef. Okay. So let's get our input and output first to get the beef. Our input and then output. Okay. So for outputs, for our input, we're given string s. Right, so s as a string. And then for our output, we for output, we want to return a boolean, true or false, if s is a palindrome of itself. So bool true is equal to s is palindrome. False is equal to otherwise, right? Otherwise not. So for some notes, we're only going to be, so the string input is given raw. We need to filter. And then palindrome is when reverse equals original. And then my voice hurts so much. Like it doesn't feel comfortable. I should take a break from talking. It's been like an hour or two. No, it's been like an hour. So we're given as raw. Palindrome is when we reverse the original. And then filter out non-numeric. So by that, it means non-numbers and letters. Alphabet letters. So that's something I might need to search up. I don't know how to do that. Oops, I ran Python or something. I don't know. So those are some good notes. So let's go through some examples. What about what's a good one? I guess like wow is a good one. Okay, so we already know that wow is a palindrome because it's the same backwards, WOW. If in original it's WOW, so it's the same, so it's true. But what if in this example it's still wow, but it has an exclamation mark? Well, that doesn't really matter because we're going to filter out the non-numeric, the non-alpha numeric characters, non-alpha numeric characters. So this is still gonna be true. And then what about like wow, wow. What if it was example 3, where we were like this, right? So in this case, that'd be the same thing, except there's a space in the middle. But I think that's fine. So it's just true. Let's do one where it's false. So example 4. Let's see. Hello. Hello is not a palindrome because it's not the same in reverse. So this is false. Reverse would be like this. OLEH. Ole. Oh, Ole. Oh my God. That's that one guy from League. All right. So went through some examples. We took note of the input and output. Took some notes. Yeah. I guess I want to ask a question like, what's the min size of input string? Let's scroll down. See, it is 1. Okay, so we'll always have an answer. Okay, cool. So let's go over some matching. What can we use to solve this problem? Um, we can do some for loop. No, we have to do. I guess I have to do a while loop. I'm not sure, while loop. I would like a while loop in this case because it reminds me of binary search. Then we need like 2 pointers for like left and right. And then we can use some if statements, comparing characters with pointers. And then we need to like a filter. I don't know how to do that. That could be used in the if statements also. Um, filtering, remove spaces and non-numeric. I know there's like a function for that. Oh yeah, and also lowercase. Make all lowercase. Um, I need to take a break, but after this problem. All right, so let's go ahead and plan. So to plan, first off, we use your input, right? And then we need to initialize our pointers. So initialize bars. So left and right. Left is going to equal to 0, and right is going to equal to length of s minus 1. And then let's do a while loop. So while left is less than equal to right, because they can still be in the middle, right? Because they can still compare the O and while. So while left is less than equal to right, we're going to compare. So no, actually we need to like do filtering here. Okay, so we do filtering, right? So after we do filtering, we're gonna go through this. So we're gonna compare. So compare each letter. So s if if s if s at L is not equal to s at right, then we're going to return false. That is not a palindrome. But if we get out of the while loop, fine, then we return true. Okay? And then in the while loop, once we compare, we're obviously just going to increment left by 1 and increment right by 1. And we just keep on going until they pass each other. And so yeah. Okay, so this should work. All I need to do is figure out the filtering, which I'll search up right now. Python remove spaces. Okay, what do I do? Use replace. How do we use replace? It's the character. Okay. So I do like dot replace. It's the space. And then what else do we do? How to remove non-alphanumeric characters in Python. Maybe like oh, is alpha. Is alphanumeric. Um how do we remove though? Hmm. Can I just s is equal to, dude, I don't know. How would I use this? Um Guess we can do like for letter for letter. Now we gotta do this first. So for letter in S filtered S or S filt is equal to empty string, right? And for letter in S, we're gonna say that is alphanumeric. If letter if not if letter not oh if letter is alphanumeric, we're going to append it into S. I mean into filter. So on. And then I think it doesn't take into account spaces. So we're just gonna filter that just in case. Let's filter. And then yeah, we're gonna go through that. So this should work. Where's LeetCode? Alright, so let's copy paste my plan into here. Alright, plan looking good. Alright, so first off, initialize vars. So left and right is equal to left is equal to 0 and right is equal to length of s minus 1. And then we're gonna do filtering. So let's get our filter s equal to an empty string. And for letter in s, if letter is alphanumeric, and that's really cool, then we're going to put s. Want to put that letter in there. And then we're going to make filter again, just in case. We're going to get the empty spaces out. Okay. And then it should be fine. So then we can just use our 2 pointers to solve this problem. So left and right. All left is less than equal to right. Then we're still going, so we compare. So if this filter at actually you don't want it at that. We want it at want it after we filter. So left is equal to left and right is equal to 0 and right's equal to length of s filter s1. And then if s filter at left it doesn't equal to s filter at right, then we're going to solve it, right? So then we're going to we're not going to solve it. We're going to return false. That it's not a palindrome, but if it goes to the while loop, then it's true that it's a palindrome. This should work, hopefully. String has no dot append. Oh, oops, it's plus equal. It's taking so long. Did my computer crash? Is my internet fine? Or did I just like fail? Time limit exceeded, really? Oh, because it has to be like this. Well, left is less than equal to r. Why? Forgot. Oopsie. Left less equal to 1, and then right minus equal to 1. That's why. My bad. Wrong answer, false. What did I do? Okay, so this should be true, but why is it false? That's interesting. Okay, so I guess we can just print out maybe I think it's an issue with the filter. Oh, I forgot to lower. Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. So did I put that in my plan? I didn't put that in my plan. No wonder why. Okay, so Then we need to lowercase. So s.filter.lower. I think it's good. Python lowercase. Yeah, dot lower. Yeah, this should work now. Wrong answer still. Oh, does that have to be s filter is equal to that? Okay, so that's okay. Just a lot of method uses, so it's whatever. So it works. Very cool, very swag. For time complexity, I'm not sure if what lower and replace does, but we go through the string twice because once and then half time, yes, but I guess that's whatever. So just basically O of n, and then for space complexity, it is O of n because we're storing every letter of the string into a string to another string. So yeah.